Hello everyone, I hope you are having a wonderful day. I'm really excited for today's video. As you might have understood by the title, I was selected to be a part of Ayush Paper YouTube design team and I would like to thank them for this wonderful opportunity. They are a stationery brand based in Maharashtra, India, and today I am unboxing their design team welcome kit, which contains their main range of products, that is, sketchbooks and papers. They have a variety of sketchbooks for different mediums like watercolor, gouache, pen work, calligraphy, sketching, and many more. Let me walk you through their different sketchbooks. These are their mini sketchbooks. They come in 4 varieties: 180 GSM black paper, 180 GSM brown paper, 270 GSM watercolor paper, and 200 GSM white paper. Then we have watercolor sketchbooks. They have 100% cotton acid-free paper in 270 GSM, and as you can see they have a very nice texture. They are also available in 4 different sizes: 11 by 15 inches, 7 by 7 inches, A4 and A5. These are their newly launched mixed media papers. They are available as loose sheets as well as sketchbooks in different sizes, and the paper has 250 GSM thickness. This is their white sketchbook with 140 GSM hot press paper. It is perfect for sketching, doodling, ink and light watercolor, and it has 50 sheets. Brown paper sketchbook with 180 GSM paper and 28 to 30 sheets. Black paper sketchbook with 180 GSM paper and 28 to 30 sheets. All 3 of these are also available in various sizes. These acrylic sketchbooks are definitely my favorite ones. Look at the texture of these paper. They look just like canvas. Can't wait to paint on them. They are available in 260 GSM and 740 GSM thickness and have different sizes as well. Next we have some unique books. First is this grid book. It has 200 GSM paper and is available in different sizes as well as packs of loose sheets. Since it has thick pages, it can be used for drawing, Madhubani painting, sketching, watercolors, oil pastels, calligraphy pens, as well as watercolor brush pens. Second is Hisab Kitab. Third and fourth are travel books which have 100 GSM handmade paper. You can write your bucket list, checklist and other things to stay organized on your trip. These were all the sketchbooks that I received. and I can't wait to work on these. Let me know in the comments if there is a particular book that you want me to paint on. If you want to purchase any of these sketchbooks, I have a coupon code WooHoo10 which you can use to get 10% off on these sketchbooks. I will link everything in the description box, so be sure to check them out. Like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. I will see you next time. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.